Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Nvidia control panel. If it's not visible, check the system tray or right-click the desktop. Once opened, make sure your monitor and GPU are selected in the top panel so changes apply correctly. Now choose Display and then adjust Desktop Color Settings. That's the control set where saturation lives. You're taking control immediately, so don't get sidetracked by other menus. Focus on the Color Settings section and confirm the correct display is active before proceeding. Once in Adjust Desktop Color Settings, look for Digital Vibrance. That's Nvidia Saturation Control. You should nudge the slider in small steps, say 5 to 10%, because large jumps can oversaturate skin tones and UI elements. After each adjustment, hit Apply so you can see the effect immediately on your desktop and reference image. Make sure to compare dark and bright scenes. Varying brightness reveals clipping or crushed blacks, so you can find a balanced saturation level that enhances color without losing. To finish, switch on Use Nvidia settings if the option exists so Windows won't override your changes. Then fine-tune contrast and gamma to match the new saturation. You should save the chosen value or create a profile per display so you can restore it quickly. Once done, test across apps and games to confirm consistency. If colors look wrong, revert to the previously noted value or reset to defaults, and if problems persist, reinstall or update the driver as a primary troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.